This video will provide you with an understanding of the various terms and descriptions used across the Corterum system. The workbench, the center of Corterum, where your everyday actions are located. It is from here that you or your users will complete any of your compliance activities, ranging from the creation of new users to updating accounts, consumer duty, or recording fit and proper testing. The workbench is the first and most used of the options, which runs along the top of the window, and this defaults to the dashboard when selected. The dashboard, a customizable landing page for reviewing, at a glance, the tasks, jobs and messages assigned to you. You can customize the look and feel of your dashboard to your own liking. Attestations. This is the location of any attestations you have created and is specific to the user who is currently logged in. Entity. An entity is something that has been created within the system for purposes of being reported upon. An entity does not necessarily have to also be a user, but the majority are, considering that they have a personal stake in their own compliance reporting. Due to the way the system is managed, licensing is based upon the number of entities held within the system. Should you wish, you only need one user who would manage any number of entities. This would potentially be a time-intensive task, and an admin functioning in this role may not know every action which needs to be reported upon. Datasets. Datasets represent the information you store within Corterum. This includes details about your company, information on your entities, any committees or groups that you have created, and all other related information which might be applicable towards SMCR. Users. Users are defined as someone who has access to the software. Each user is assigned a role which provides them with permission for the various aspects of Corterum. For example, a user who wants the control and ability to configure and set up the system would need to be set as a system administrator. Roles. These are specific permissions provided to users so that they can control the various aspects of Corterum. It comes with a number of predefined roles with the ability to add more. These roles can be assigned to groups and allow the configuration of both the feature permissions and the dataset permissions. These are recapped below for quickly reviewing what role can access what function. Groups. Entities can be assigned to groups for ease of controlling data. These groups can in turn be assigned across the system to rapidly configure certain users and entities. Statement of responsibilities. This is a report which lists and explains all responsibilities that a senior manager has within a firm. Regulatory reference. Firms are required to provide a regulatory reference to another firm if requested, as part of the assessment of a senior manager's fitness and propriety. Form H. Notification of disciplinary action relating to conduct rules staff, other than senior managers, in SMCR firms. Should a conduct rules staff be subjected to disciplinary procedure, this report must be produced and submitted to the FCA. Form C. Notice of ceasing to perform controlled functions, including senior manager functions. Should a senior manager cease operating any controlled functions, this report must be generated and then submitted to the FCA.